Hey crypto friends! Your CryptoNanny is here with this week's top 3 crypto stories that are making waves in the digital world. This week we're covering some major milestones. Congress just passed America's first big crypto law. Bitcoin smashed through $120,000 to hit record highs. And unfortunately, crypto criminals are also breaking records with massive thefts. Let's dive into what's been happening in crypto land. This week made crypto history when Congress passed the very first major crypto law in America. The Genius Act just sailed through the House with a big 308 to 122 vote, creating official rules for something called stablecoins. Think of stablecoins as crypto's responsible cousin. They're always worth exactly $1 because companies have to keep real dollars in the bank to back them up. This could revolutionize how we send money around the world, making it as easy as sending a text message and way cheaper than those pesky bank fees. Hold on to your digital wallets because Bitcoin just smashed through $120,000 for the very first time, reaching a jaw-dropping $123,000. That's like Bitcoin putting on a superhero cape and flying 27% higher just this year alone. The whole crypto market is now worth a mind-blowing $3.8 trillion. That's more than most countries' entire economies. Ethereum joined the party, jumping to its highest price since February, proving that when Bitcoin celebrates, the whole crypto family gets invited to the dance. Not all records are good ones, and this week brought some sobering news about crypto security. Criminals have already stolen a staggering $2.17 billion worth of cryptocurrency in just the first half of 2025. That's more than all of 2024 combined. The biggest heist was a massive $1.5 billion hack of the Bybit exchange, making it the largest crypto theft in history. While crypto adoption grows, it's a reminder that keeping your digital assets safe is more important than ever. Always use secure wallets and never share your private keys. That's a wrap on this week's crypto adventures. Remember, the crypto world moves fast, but your CryptoNanny is always here to break it down in bite-sized, beginner-friendly pieces. Until next week, fam, keep learning and stay curious about the future of money.